Shalom! Welcome to Kojo's Organic Garden. So today I'm going to show you guys, I'm just going to take off this black tarp. I had it on here for 3 days for the microgreens, just to black them out, but now I'm going to take it off so I can allow for the roots that are already strong to spring up and start growing even more. So I'm going to show you what it looks like under here. As you can see, all of them just sprung up. Very nice. So these are all very strong roots. These are gonna get like a lot bigger as we see. I'm gonna show you the other levels too, just so you guys can see as well. These are nice too. These are all little bunched up as well. But I'm gonna show you guys the final product when they finish growing in about like 6 days. But the first 3 days, I just wanted to make sure that they were blacked out. Advice that I had read in a book, just to pass it on. So if you're ever growing microgreens, black them out for like 2 to 3 days and then take the black tarp off. And then after you take the black tarp off, then the roots that are already strong, they'll grow really strong and you'll have very good microgreens. But thanks for checking in and the next update on the growing process of microgreens. Take care. Shalom.